Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS FPS drop while streaming. So guys, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up your OBS, and now from here you could just simply go for the file and you could just simply go for the settings down below. Now here, if you are streaming, as you can see, you will have your output and you will have your streaming. So guys, when it comes to the video encoder, make sure you have the right and correct graphics drivers because this plays a huge role. So I have AMD, which I selected AMD, but I recommend selecting on what you have. And down below, we should be able to have the rate control. I recommend going for the CBR, and the bitrate will be 4500. And when it comes to the preset, guys, when it's too lag, just make sure to have the preset as balance, or you could go for speed. And now you could go for the profile as well and lower it out, and sometimes that can help fix the issue. Now another option, guys, is you could just simply disable the preview. That can help as well by right clicking on it, and you should be able to see enable preview. Now if that doesn't work, you could also go for the file, you could go for the settings, and you could go for the video. Here on the video, you could just simply go for a lower FPS because sometimes a higher FPS can cause issue. So I recommend going for 30, or if you are on 30, try 60. Now another one, guys, if you have applications open up, of course it's best to close them out if you are no longer using them because it can add some data into your computer that can cause some lag and issues. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.